This is the Akko CS Jelly Black linear switch. Retailing at only about 45 ringgit for a box of 45 switches, it's a very affordable switch. It has a 60-gram spring, a black dustproof stem which offers less stem wobble compared to a traditional stem design, along with a clear all-black housing. Aside from that, it also has a 22mm extended spring for a snappier, more responsive typing experience. Out of the box, it has a smooth downstroke as well, though the travel distance is ever so slightly reduced due to the dustproof stem design. In terms of sound profile, it has Akko's signature clackiness, which is to say it is a loud and high-pitched switch, but it is a tad bit deeper than the other Jelly switches though. Hear for yourself in this sound test.